Hi you guys, my name is Niara Alexis and today I'm gonna be sharing with you some of my favorite summer shades that I like to use from Subtle Beauty. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I have my foundation, concealer, everything like that down. So I'm gonna put on some lip balm. This is the Sugar Cookie lip balm. Oh, it smells so good. And it adds like a nice little glossy shine. So I like to use this. Ooh, and it feels so good on your lips. But they also have a lot of other shades too. So they have Spice Chai. They all smell amazing. Vanilla Mint. And then this last one is just the plain. They all smell good. They all feel really good on your lips. And I love to use them and just keep them in my bag. I also like them for prep. So before I get into anything else, I just wanted to put a little bit on. My lips are plump. They're moisturized. They're ready for it, okay? My rule of thumb is when applying cream blush, you want to put it on before you put on your setting powder because creams mesh well with cream. So if you've used a liquid foundation and like bronzer or contour or whatever that day, you want to put your cream blush on at the same time before you put setting powder on. So I'm mixing two shades, Riveting Red and Coral. I'm always mixing my shades just to sort of like create my own kind of custom shade. And I've really been liking red bronzer or blush right now on my cheeks, just blending that upwards. I feel like red and orangey tones are really pretty for summer. For me, red was always something that I counted out, and now I'm just like really into it and how it looks on my skin. I feel like it looks amazing on brown skin. So my face is all set and everything. So now I want to put on my bronzer. So I am using the shade Espresso. I really like this bronzer. It's nice and pigmented, and one of my favorite things about this bronzer is like I can pick up as much as I want to and it'll never look too heavy and never look too muddy, which is really important to me. They do have 5 different shades, so I feel like just about everyone will be able to find a shade that works really well for them. And I'm just gonna go like right underneath like where you see my blush and just making sure it meshes and blends well with the blush. It's such an easy way to add like some warmth and color to your face, especially if you're feeling like you look a little pale or if you just want to look like, you know, you are sun-kissed, like you have been on a beach somewhere living your best life. Add a little bronzer to your makeup. I'm going to be using 2 different duos here. This is Dune and this is Sunset. I feel like you guys have seen me use these 2 before, and that's because these 2 are my favorites. I'm going to start with Dune first, the matte side, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush, very pigmented. I like to pick up a lot and then smudge it out. Very quick and easy, like summertime smoky eye. And to prep my lids, I just put down a little bit of concealer and setting powder, so you could easily use the Subtle concealer and shine control powder to prep your lids. Okay, so now that we have that all in our crease, I'm just gonna go all over my lid, the matte shade from the Sunset Duo. This is one of like my go-tos for the summertime. It's just like a really pretty like smoky eye, but because it's browns, like it's in that warm tone family, using the same brush, I'm sweeping this shade all over my lid, making sure I get it up into my crease so it blends in with that dark brown color from the Dune Duo. I would say if you have fairer skin, you'll probably want to go for one of the lighter toned duos, but you can replicate this like with any of the lighter shades. I just like to take a small little brush and the shine control powder. I keep this in my bag when I go out because it's so tiny. Like there's no powder that I found that's this small that can fit in all like little micro bags. I like to take a little bit of it and just like dust it in my problem areas. Like, so for me, that's like around my mouth, on my chin, and on my forehead. So I'm just dusting this around just to like make sure I'm locking like everything in place before I finish up my makeup. And that is our finished look, you guys. I hope this video inspired you to try some new shades and colors for the summer. My name is Niara Alexis. You can find me on YouTube by that handle and on Instagram as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.